Hey yo, maayong adlaw sa tanan. My name's Rochi and let's play Strine Nova. So, magdula na po tag another death match.
I will
Try na
lead.
tagdula si Meredith, which is a controller type character. So, let's see if we can find a match. Na makalingaw kini siya nga dula, no? It can be very competitive or casual at the same time. All right, here we go. Windy Town. Alright. So, pili ta sa tong character. Try na to si Meredith. Hopefully,
It's my turn to strike.
makadaog ta.
This is for everyone.
Alright. So, by the way, basin ganahan po magdula ani. Malingaw kini siya nga dula. Maragyod gihapon ni siya og Valorant. Kung gusto mo og something competitive nga third-person shooter with anime waifus. Alright, here we go. Warm-up phase.
Keep gliding.
May nakasaka dito kalit.
The warm-up phase is about to end.
Sheesh, namat yan yung isa na. Alright,
Do
that one's
not be
down.
afraid.
Kalimot ko gamit sa skill dito nga part that.
3, 2,
Alright, anyway,
one.
mo na ni.
battle
Tininod.
start.
Tek.
Breeze, blazing sands.
First
This
blood.
world. The soul
Oh,
remains.
so dead.
The golden sands flow.
Alright. So more on controller ni siya nga character.
Blazing sands envelop this world.
Alright, yay, Loyas ang kauban eh. Ang tani. May kagubot dire. Dugay kay siya nitira bay. Sa taya.
The golden sands flow.
Alright. Sulod ta dire kay murag gubot kay dito sa gawas. Alright.
Breeze, blazing sands envelop this world.
Shih,
Do
pita
not
to
be
eh.
afraid.
Look ito. Ay, hak na sa likod. Alright, nice ka. Ah, lugay ko. Kailangan nakuha ng box. Ah! Eh, nakuha pa ginawa ng box. Alright. Dito sa windy
Team
area.
shield enhancement activated.
Breeze,
Marami,
blazing
marami.
sands envelop this world.
Yung barahan niya na. Okay. Alright,
Do
down.
not be afraid.
Kung ano to ng box is shit. Kung ano tong box.
The soul
I really
remains.
hate that guy, bay.
The golden sands flow.
OP kito siya makaduol sa mga gid ba. Tap lang ko niya. Sa tong barahon dire. Ano yan? Barahon.
Blazing sands envelop this world.
Ah, shit. Sayot ang
Keep
paglabay. Okay. Oh, lah. Ay, di ta magdugay diha kay moabot ang mga kalaban sa likod. Right,
The
dire ta.
golden sands flow. The soul
Ah!
remains.
Right, we stayed too long for that in that area, bay. Bad idea kayo.
Do not be afraid.
The leading team has reached 20 points.
Envelop this world.
Nag-una ito sila ba? Wala ba ako nakuha? Ah. Shakoy. Shakoy grenade. Alright.
Do not be
We
afraid.
got that one. Uy. Naon na giningo. Okay, sakit kito siya bay. Sakit kito siya sa... Okay, nice one.
The golden sands flow.
Shit, shit. Nasa likod.
The showdown has begun.
Oh,
Beware the first three
no.
storms.
I think we're winning. Oh, dili day. Second place na rin eh. Taas kay B ang first placer. Oh.
Blazing
Oh
sands
no.
envelop this world.
Oh no. Sandwich. Basta hapit na mahuman. Makita na rin mo mga kalaban sa map.
The leading team has reached 30 points.
Oh shit. Wala ba siya granada? Uy! Ah! Oh!
Do not be afraid.
Oh shit. Oh, okay.
This is your blade.
Nice one. Kailangan kita mahawa diri nga area. Gaka-sandwich yun dito area sa wise.
Team Super String Enhancement activated.
Blazing sands envelop this world.
Alright. Never mind. Dirita be. Wanta sa ila. Alright team. Let's go.
Three.
Ato ring barami na.
Blazing sands envelop this world.
Don't let that guy come near me. Yak.
Keep gliding.
Shit. Woo!
Do not be afraid.
Sakit kita siya no? Dako kay paksi good. Half good diretso akong life. I mean my armor. Unhan lang gid. Shit. Yeah, thank God. Thank you, teammate. Nakatatawa to si Fuchsia.
The enemy needs 10 more kills
Ay,
remains.
naunay. Alright. Let's go.
Blazing sands
Alright.
envelop this world.
Samantala yun. Kambak na lang ta. Sa luwais. Oh.
The golden sands flow. Free.
Oh, saan to siya? Ah, okay. Clone.
The enemy needs 5
Yeah.
more kills to win.
Uy, naiga sniper sa likod. Hawa ta di abi.
Blazing sands envelop this world.
Patutunggok doon to ga sniper to rao. Napa siya sa sunga.
Blazing sands envelop this world.
The enemy needs
Ah.
1 more kill to win.
The golden sands
Well, at least
flow.
second place me. Alright. Not too
Victory.
bad. Di na kayo nga
We're one step
naka-struggle.
closer to home.
Nice. Alright, that's it. Team Deathmatch. Gamit ni Meredith. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And you have a very nice day.